जय श्री राम
जय श्री राम
बाबा
बाबा जी।
मेरे बच्चे, जय श्री राम।
You have reached Mamta Patel. Please leave your message after the tone.
जय श्री राम ममता बहन।
जय श्री राम भाई।
आप जब निकलोगे साइड से टेबल विद चादर लेके जाना।
ओके, टेबल और चादर।
हाँ, तो वो क्योंकि नहीं है ना, कुर्सियां बिछी हुई होंगी दो चार, तो बस वो लेते जाना बस। कोई आराम से, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। ऑन कर दिया। ये वो सिट आप लोग एक तो नहीं बुक, मैं शुरू करें बुक। ये अच्छा नहीं है बच्चा, सच्ची में अच्छा नहीं है मेरे बच्चे।
बाबा जी पेड़ के नीचे बहुत सुंदर लग रहा है।
मतलब कल आया, बाबा ने बोला कि जगह चेंज करो।
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है।
शायद उनके कहने का मतलब था कि दुनिया को जो पीछे का बैकग्राउंड है समझ नहीं आएगा, कि ह्यूमन माइंड यही सोचेगा कि भैया वो कैसी जगह है पीछे। बैकग्राउंड पहले दिखाई देता ना, वो दीवार और वो सब। तो उन लोगों को साइकोलॉजिकली भी देखना है, दिखावा करना पड़ रहा है बेसिकली। इट्स मोर पब्लिक ड्रामा। नहीं नहीं, अब नहीं, ये आज कुछ नहीं खाएगा, आज ये इसका व्रत है आज। चलो बुक, कहाँ है दोनों बोतल नीचे गिर वो। बच्चे भी ऑलरेडी डिड होम इन द मॉर्निंग। प्रभु, डन होम मैटर। हरि ओम नमो नारायण, ओम नमो नारायण। इधर सन, विटामिन डी। साई ओम नमो देवू सेठ पुत्र। દેવાને બધું છે. ચલો પુત્રી. सच्चिदानंद सदगुरु साईनाथ महाराज की जय। Putra, always remember when you start something, irrespective of anything, take few seconds to thank, especially on a spiritual journey. You must thank your teacher, your guru. Why? That helps your ears to concentrate. that helps your soul to be very thankful. Always. In any form, doesn't matter. What matters is that how we feel connected. That's very key. Going the way things are, the pace are. दीपू मेरे को पकड़ा दे, लीश लगी हुई है, इसकी लीश के साथ मेरे को लीश से पकड़ ले उसको, बस अपने आप शांत हो जाएगा। आप लीश पकड़ लो राजा। So what happens, Puttu? Yesterday I was thinking this whole part, and what is the major cause of troubles? What is the major cause? Where does everything start? Where like all these diseases, illness, everything starts from? Our one thought. Our one thought. You know, we have this trouble, Puttar. We always been thinking, oh, somebody said I've got diabetes, I've got anxiety, I've got depression, I've got anger, I've got this, I've got that. What did we do? What? We never paid attention that certain days and times our thoughts, our body was telling us something. We never paid attention. We started getting into our comfort zones. We started overthinking. We started stressing out things on our own. Start stressing out. That's very beautifully said, Vipul. For example, what is diabetes? It's an imbalance in the system. How does this imbalance happen? Genetic, we can call it anything. It may have genes coming up forward, but have we ever taken care of our thoughts with? How does the thoughts impact is the key thing today. The moment we start thinking of any one thing, we start thinking and thinking and thinking and getting deeper into that. What happens after that? We ourselves are not able to come out of it. Why? It's like a hole. We kept digging. Now we want that hole to be the same level. Will it ever be? It will take its time. It will take its own time. Why? Till you are able to overcome that. Then you give the time. You know how you, any instance, we dig a hole here. And if you dig out a hole of say 6 inches, you'll still be fine, more or less. But if it is 60 inches, will it be fine? You put everything back into the same hole, it will never be the same. Not only that, it will take months to come back to the old shape. All the roots, everything is taken out. That is how our thoughts impact us. That is how our body gets impacted. Somebody said, you know, he reacts a lot. reaction. What is reaction? Raghu, what's reaction, Raju?
Responding to someone's actions without thinking.
Right. But reaction is what you react depends on what is your predetermined thought inside you,
Ji Baba, yes.
not what other person is reacting. What you have inside you about that person or about that thought or about your own self at that very moment is the reaction. Like, for example, I think that Deepu doesn't listen to me. I'm trying to teach you. I'm just giving you an example. And the moment Deepu will tell me something, I'll get mad. You just be quiet. No. That's one thing. Second thing, my comfort zone. I just want to prove a point of my comfort. I will say anything. You don't know. You don't understand. You're not in my situation. We'll tell every that thing to justify ourselves. How do you know what I'm going through? Do you have any idea what is happening to me? Really? It's a frustration inside with saying that I'm not listening to my body. I'm not listening to my thoughts. I'm not able to feed the right kind of nutrition value to my thoughts. Sometimes we given in those thoughts. He said, yeah, let's do this. Okay, let's do this. The most problematic situations in any family, in any relationship, is all because of predetermined thoughts. Always. When you always have thought of something and you already have I know this better than you. Tell me whatever you want to tell me. I'm listening. Right? Sometimes you don't want to fight, but you want to listen. Okay, say. What maximum? I will not react. I know better than you. I'll walk away. So, what will happen? You will never be able to overcome objection. Never.
बाबा जी यहाँ पे एक क्वेश्चन पूछना है रिएक्शन के ऊपर। बाबा जी अभी रिसेंटली कपल ऑफ मंथ्स पहले एक सिचुएशन आया था, एक कोलीग मैंने वर्क प्लेस में मेरे को मेंटर कर रहे थे, तो है ना उसका टोन ऐसा था कि है ना हमेशा है ना जैसे अभी कोई अंडर में काम करता है तो चिल्लाकर बात करते हैं ना, तो पहली बार ऐसे बात करने से मैं चुप थी। नेक्स्ट टाइम बात करने से मैंने है ना रिएक्ट किया कि गिव रेस्पेक्ट एंड टेक रेस्पेक्ट, मैंने डिसरेस्पेक्टफुल बात मत करो। तो हमेशा उसका टोन थोड़ा डिफरेंट, मैंने जैसे अंडर में कोई रहते हैं तो थोड़ा बहुत, तो मुझे है ना आप बॉसी टाइप में, तो मैंने मेरे अंदर से रिएक्ट आ रहा था। मैंने उसका वो नेचर मैं एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर रही थी। फिर आप और बाबा जी, आप सुबह सुबह उठने के वक्त आप और माँ को, मैं दोनों को ऐसे प्रे कर मेडिटेशन में बैठने के वक्त मुझे अंदर से लग रहा था कि मेरे अंदर प्रॉब्लम है, मैं क्यों ऐसे रिएक्ट कर रही हूँ, व्हाई आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग शी हैज़ टू गिव मी रेस्पेक्ट और अच्छी तरह बात करने के लिए। क्या मेरे अंदर ये हो गया है, मैंने उस लड़की से मैं कुछ एक्सपेक्ट कर रही हूँ टाइप में, उस टाइप में थॉट्स आ रहे थे। मुझे अपने आप को बदलना है टाइप में आ रहा था। तो बाबा जी मेरा रिएक्शन उस लड़की के तरफ मैंने I was expecting something about her because she is a new person to me. तो वैसा why I reacted in that way.
So there are two things. What happened is the lady you were dealing with, right? She, because she was teaching you, coaching you, but she did not have a comfort with you.
Okay.
So she did not think that my job is to give just assistance and coaching to the to Nalini. That's it. My job is
Hmm.
right. I don't know her. She doesn't know me. We don't know each other, right?
Yes, Baba.
But what we really need is that I should give her time, space, understand. Maybe she's a good person. Maybe she's not. Or maybe she wanted somebody else had a situation. Lot of things.
Hmm.
So we are not going to jump into that situation. Okay,
Hmm.
we are not going to jump. So right now, my first focus is that I have to learn the job. So
Yeah.
what is the difficult part for me? You know, when you ever make tea, coffee, you or anything, you need to grade the spices, right? Or you need to beat them up.
Hmm.
So the initial hammers are always tight
Hmm.
because you need to break them.
Hmm.
You need to break that shell. You would need to break that out so that it can spread even, and then it becomes lighter.
Yes.
So what happens is when you meet somebody in a first instance and you don't know each other, that very first hammer is very hard. Now, in your situation, the only development of thought should have been, I've got this job, I
Yes.
need to learn, and if it is a harsh master, I will learn.
Yes.
Let it be a harsh master,
Yeah.
but I have to learn because that is my
This.
job.
Yeah.
And that is what the company might have felt that is the best person to teach me, maybe not with the right attitude.
Hmm.
So, first is to focus to get learning of yourself
Yes.
and get out, sail out of that situation first.
Hmm.
Once you sail out of that situation, and then you are able to think later on and gives you equal opportunity to the other person to also think.
Yes.
I was so rude with her, she didn't even react.
Yes, Babaji. That's right, Babaji.
I was so harsh with her, she did not react.
Yeah.
She may one day come back to you and say, Nalini, I'm sorry I reacted to you. May, okay?
Yeah.
If that opportunity comes, you may say, you know, I didn't take it that way. I
Yeah.
felt maybe it's a harsh coach wants to make me perfect. Good
Yeah.
words to give it back. Now, once we have reacted, what have we done? Now, both of us have already created a predetermined thought.
सही बात.
So,
Yeah.
next time, whenever we will meet each other, we will always have a thought against each other.
Yeah, that communication gap आ गया बाबा जी, मैंने क्योंकि react कर दिया था. I said
So,
sorry, but already that thing has happened. तो मेरे को मेरे ऊपर ही guilty आ रहा था. Why I reacted in that way.
that now it will take time, but
Yeah.
that's okay. Now, going forward, just try to be the best what it is rightfully to be done.
Yes.
That will help.
Yeah.
Like don't get more guilty conscious, but be aware of situation and act into right manner. That's all. That will help. Oh. Uttar, now this is what a normal problem is at a workplace, at a business place, in the family, and this is what I was thinking past. Our major cause of diseases also in the body is our thought process, our eating habit, a lot of things related to this. Lot. If we want to really come out, we have to tell our brain. We have to tell, not the thought has to tell us. We need to tell, hey boss, we're not doing this, we're doing this. Willpower is the key. The main key is willpower to open anything. If you are determined, if you are, you yesterday was saying, I used to get up 3:30, 4 o'clock because I knew I will lose $100. So that was your drive. I have a commitment done. Maybe it was monetary attachment, but I had done a commitment. Willpower can change anything, Raja. Willpower can move mountains. It is very beautifully said कि मन के जीते जीत है और मन के हारे हार. हाँ, राजा सिंपल सी बात है. let me put it this way to you. More easy, let's do this. On a day-to-day basis, what importance do you give to what things? You will get your answers. Don't need to tell me. You will get anybody of us. Whatever we love to do, whatever we love to eat, whatever we like to hack, we will pay more attention to that things only. Supposedly, yesterday we were discussing about that, oh, I got up at 4, I got up at 4, I got up at 4. So basically, you're stressing out, give me space. Don't make me guilty conscious. Don't tell me. I want to be in my comfort zone. So what happens is sometimes you need to give in a good way. Sometimes you need to try and understand sometimes that maybe the other person is something I need to pay attention to. Most of the time, it is always about us. Most of the time. My comfort zone, my likings and my dislikings. And that is what it is said, the surrender is the most difficult thing. Most difficult part is surrender.
Say in situation like that, somebody's trying to abuse her. It's kind of abuse that she's trying to tell her. How do you, I mean, according to your explanation, just let go and, but in that situation, how do you make that person understand that what you are doing is not the right way? You cannot talk to people like that. There are channels, there are ways to
Communicate. Right. So coming back to, let's put it now, there are two things here we can do. Okay. I did not stress on the second thing purposely. I'll come back to this once you brought it back. So now in a professional environment, what are we supposed to do? Okay. In a professional environment, my first focus is, if I'm too smart, I'll make a note of day and time and the conversation. Why? Because at that point of time, if I go back and forth to the bosses or my superiors, I will lose the essence of time. Number two, most of the cases that I've seen, they want you to go to the bosses so that they can say, oh, just 2 days and you're complaining. That person is working for X years. We had no problems. Till the time that person really had issues. If I had no issues, then you're the one. You're not comfortable. So you already let the stamp also be there for you. It's 50-50, right? But what do we do best? We make a note of things. Because most of the places in a professional environment where the training is in a process, after the training, you've been asked things to do. Just make a note of that. When the training is done, you completed everything. That very moment, you will be giving an opportunity to your reporting manager or your superior, somebody. That time you can have that conversation. Don't hamper initial days at all. Just drink it over. Because if you do it initially, you will have tough times down the road because maybe the network is such that you may not survive long enough. Maybe the planning is like that way that you run away faster. So many things. Best way is first enter the den. After entering the den, make your space in the den. You will get an opportunity. If you have made a note, you will get an opportunity. And that will show your smartness, patience, and most importantly, that he's a learner. He adapted to learn. And once you go with the meeting with your superiors, it's a difficult call, Ganesh. It's not an easy call because this needs a lot of maturity. It needs a heck of maturity, but all the big people who rise the ladder, they rise with patience only. They overcome objections, and that is how they can rise. Otherwise, you cannot rise. Then you are stuck in that moment, because what have happened is now you have given that one thought to that person, and the importance has got to that person. You did not see the bigger picture of your growth. You did not see above. You did not see that you can climb more beyond. If you look at the broken ladder that moment, you will never be going up. You will always be thinking, the step is broken, the step is broken, the step is broken, the step is broken. The moment you see that person, immediately that will come to you. But if you see that person, it is a temporary hurdle. I need a push to go up. You're done. It's a hard way. It's not everybody's cup of tea, but people who drink that, they definitely rise. What is easy, mera bacha, today? Nothing is easy today. People talk about within family, things are not easy today. Within friendship, things are not easy today. With any good relationship, think why? Because we all have created our own personal zones. All of us created. I love to watch some videos on YouTube. And now all of a sudden your phone call comes. I don't want to talk to you. I want to finish my show. There, can I call you back? I'm in a meeting. I have another call. Give me some time. And in the middle of something, can do. We will give all the things to overcome that, irrespective of thinking. Maybe that is important. Today, we have given importance to. I'll see sometimes sitting outside the WhatsApp messages. I want to go through, reply them. Free time, there is some good videos or whatever shows you like. We have come away so far with each other. We have lost our comfort zone. We have lost the connection of sitting with each other. We have lost that completely. We are ruining a life of our children of future. We are ruining the life of nature of future. We are badly ruining on a day-to-day basis. We are not even thinking that why the older days relationships were deeper, why the understandings, even after the fights, were made better. How? They lived 50 years, 60 years. How did that happen? We are not thoughtful. Today, it is all about taking, not giving. There is nothing about giving. I want my time. I want. Now, within families, I hear this, and it tells me that husband, wife are telling, I need my space. Are you serious? You are married to each other. What space you need? I also have my personal zone. Bullshit. What personal zone? We are brought together to take our family up. We sleep in the same bed. We earn for the same thing. What else we need? बस मेरे बच्चे. Thank you. Are we serious that today our children tells us, please knock the door before you come inside? I feel that, I remember very childhood, all of us were sleeping in the same room. Chalo, today it is so. I was reading somewhere, it said earlier there was one room and families were together. Now there are more rooms and there's no family. So what, this is all because of a thought. This is no other reason. We are not able to generate that with them. छोड़ दो पुत्र, कुछ नहीं होगा, बैठने दो. We have become so much tight that we have totally forgotten that part. Like I can take my food, I'm going to my room, I'm watching something, I'm talking to somebody, I have something to do. Seriously? Sit down. Imagine just basic things. If we all don't sit and eat the way we sit and eat, do you think there will be any care left? Like right now, somebody will take up the tea, start sharing. Why? It's saying I'm moving this fly, it may hurt. It's just because you are there. If you are in your rooms or you're sitting apart, will you be able to do it? No. Because from the beginning, we don't discuss this. From the beginning, we only talk about my space, my name, my existence. It's all about my existence. How does my existence matter? How does that matter? I don't know. How will that matter? If it is, tell me one thing, Mera bacha. If she doesn't cook, she doesn't help, all of doesn't bring, will think come to us table. You brought table, you brought cups, you brought tea. Everybody extended their hand of making Abhishek to do. Will it be happening? Can we finish in that stipulated time? Can we come and sit outside? No. We all need to give in. I need to understand. If Dina mentioned, bhai, we have to leave 9:30, somebody's coming in. I should, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It should be fine. You said I have to take my family next week. Yes, please go ahead. It's okay. That's also responsibility. I have to take mother. Let's do the initial work. What will happen tomorrow is not our problem. What is today is our problem. It's not easy, Raja, to let yourself go. Let your own self be done for the family. Only then family stays intact. Showing anger is not helping nobody. Nobody. You will lose that relationship forever. We all do mistakes. We all make things happen in life. But can we make it better? We're worrying about diseases. If we start planning our day activities, first thing is I'm going to not think anything. I'm not going to predetermine thoughts against anybody. One thing. I'm not going to make things, I might keep thinking, what will happen, what will happen, what will happen, what will happen, what will happen. Keep on thinking. What will happen? Whatever happens outside, don't know, but you will be happening something to you. Why? Because you have stressed so much that now the functionality of your heart has become difficult. What do you need to do? Simple. Today, now is the time. Let's do that best. Now, let's do that best. Somebody wants me, let's go for a drive. Let's go for a drive. Let's have a cup of tea. Let's have a cup of tea. Okay, give me just half a cup. I'm not. It's fine. Let's have it. Can you extend me that? Yes, I can extend you that. Today, let's do this today. Now. Finish. Uttar time is very short and the thoughts are too long. Too long. We have boxes and boxes and boxes of thoughts. But the timelines are too short. Our timelines will not be able to match with the thought process. Circumstances are changing, situations are changing, times are changing, but we are not changing. What's happening? Our children are going away from us. I remember my very young age, and my dad would wake me up early morning. And there used to be one thing for sure, either morning or evening, all of us going for a walk together. It was very close to our home. All of us have to go. We were making sure there are some stations of picnics happening in a right way. Not that all that abandon something, but in a right manner. Are we doing that today? My only question to all of you is very simple. If you really want to take care of your health, your family's health, take care of yourself. Take care of your thoughts. Predetermined thoughts are dangerous for family or anybody. Are very dangerous. I know he's doing against me. Nobody's doing anything against you. You can overcome anything. Why this is important? Let's come back to the basic root cause of all this. If you are aligned in self, your connectivity on sadhana will become easier. If you have less things to carry, what will happen? So the moment you're not thinking. Now suppose, let's say Abhishek, okay? You want to do Arati of Baba. You want to push. Your focus is now Bhagavan, right? So you're not thinking of anything now. You're not thinking of me, him, anybody. You're not thinking, men. Now you're only thinking of Bhagavan. You're only thinking it together. more lighter. When you're pouring that milk, we always say, remember one thing. If your milk pouring on Lord Shiva is happening from your inside, that dhara, you will start feeling there's some energy coming out from Shivalingam. It's basically not Shivalingam. It's you. It's you getting up, lifting up. If you just sing Om Namah Shivaya, Om Triambakam Yajamaya Sugandhim Pushtivartanam, Urvarakam Bandhan Mrityur Muktim, it will be over. But that is the only time you had. That was the only period you had when you were pouring that milk on him. And it's nothing to do with just him. It's just to do with us. Is that few minutes and seconds, can I give it to him? 100%. Is again my thoughts. Arati. Panchadeep Arati, when we are doing, it's not that we're doing Arati Sai Baba Sokhe Dataraji. No. Now what we do? We take that Arati and we go around him and we focus and concentrate and get into meditative state of mind of Arati enjoying. Arati Sai Baba Sokhe Datar Jiva Charana Rajatari Vyavadasa Visava Bhakta Visava Arati Sai Baba. You don't know the Arati now. What do? I look at him and make him look at me. Simple. You're doing dishes. Let that focus is not to clean the dish. Baba told Rakesh today that I'm trying to teach you for last few weeks, do Mahashiv. So he was wiping. Baba said, no. Go to the deep edges. Let my moh come out. Let my maya come out. Let me be surrendered to you. Are we prepared? Are we ready for that? Is the key. Putr, to do good for yourself or people is your thought. Your health is related to your thoughts. Your surroundings are related to your thoughts. Your energy levels, your aura is related to your thoughts. It's all about that energy. How do we overcome that? How? You know, there's a beautiful bhajan. I love that part. ऐसी लागी लगन मीरा हो गई मगन वो तो गली गली, कुछ कहते हैं गली गली मेरे जैसे, कुछ कहते हैं घड़ी घड़ी हरी गुन गाने लगी लगन, ऐसी लागी लगन. I've given in myself to you. Give yourself to me. I can be with you, you can be with me. There are so many things we can do better, Putra. So many things. There's another wonderful song, but depending how you see, how you get attached towards that part. Like, तुम बिन जाऊं कहाँ, तुम बिन जाऊं कहाँ, के दुनिया में आके फिर ना कुछ चाह सनम. तुमको चाह के तुम जाओ कहाँ. Where do I go without you? After loving you, that's the end of the world for me. Designing our life is in our hands. It is said the meditative state of mind always exists, but we ignore it. It's always there, but we brush it off because of our thoughts. Now, if the thought of existence of him is always there, what will happen? मेरा तुझसे पहले का नाता कोई नहीं दिल गवाता कोई. मेरा तुझसे है पहले का नाता कोई यूं ही नहीं दिल गवाता कोई. जाने तू या जाने ना माने तू या माने ना. इट्स अ प्रारब्ध. हमारी यात्रा is predestined that you are brought to a place in time of connection. You agree or you don't agree. You accept or you don't accept. Your journey is we discussed what you do at the time is important. At a place, it is you, it is me, it is I. It's who has to decide. I would only request all of you, mere bachche. I would just request all of you on a day-to-day basis, on a second-to-second basis, like from day to hour to minute to second. Please don't let have a thought which is bothering you. Bothering you. If you think that you are not in a right state of mind, you may become harsh and saying something, tell the other person, we'll talk in a few minutes. Tell bluntly, I feel I'm not in the right frame. Be honest. Give me some time. That's understandable. Not space, little time. Some people may call it space and simultaneous. Maybe it's the same thing for you. I'm not saying that. But don't react it in a harsh manner that you cannot take that words back. That will become difficult. If you have reacted harshly, you have said words one, they are not going away. Those words are not going away forever. You have reacted, it is done. You have said it now. But before saying, you can make a change. And changes we can make, others cannot. Only we can make a change. I can make a change in myself. I cannot make you make changes. I can tell you what to do, but you need to work on that changes. It's simple as that. Don't expect others. They can tell you what to do. But you do it or not, it's up to you. Simple, 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 simple. And if you want to enjoy the journey of death, not of life. Yes, Putra, not life. Because जिंदगी तो बेवफा है, एक दिन ठुकराएगी, मौत महबूबा है अपनी, साथ लेकर जाएगी. नहीं मेरे बच्चे, नहीं. You're sitting here tells me that you want to change. It is just you're fighting with your thoughts you're not able to overcome. That's what it's telling me. I want to change. I don't know how. I want to leave. I don't know how, but I want to. It's okay, Buddha. It's okay. चलना हम सबको अकेले ही है. चल अकेला, चल अकेला, चल अकेला, तेरा मेला पीछे छूटा, राही चल अकेला. कहते हैं अगर साथ मुझे चाहता है तो जगह अपने दिल में दे. साथ मुझे चाहता है तो जगह अपने दिल में दे. बसा सकता है मुझको तो विचारों में बसा ले. बसा सकता है मुझको तो विचारों में बसा ले, नहीं तो रह जाएगा यहीं पे, कुछ साथ नहीं जाएगा. पा सकता है मुझको तो यहीं पे पाले, वहां जाने के बाद कुछ हाथ नहीं आएगा, सब रह जाएगा. वो एक बहुत अच्छा है ना वो. उत्तर हमेशा ध्यान रखना. हम इस मेले में आ तो गए हैं, मेले में आ गए, पर इस मेले में से कौन कब बिछड़ जाएगा ये किसी को नहीं पता. और जिनको पता है वो बोलते नहीं. बिछड़ना सबको है, सभी को बिछड़ना है. मेले में नए लोग आएंगे, पुराने चले जाएंगे, कुछ नए भी चले जाएंगे, कुछ रह भी जाएंगे. जाना सबको है. ऑन अ डेली बेसिस पुत्र एक काम जरूर करना, एवरी डे. थैंक बिफोर यू लाइट योर स्टोव for cooking, son of a, thank the Agni Dev. First thing, before even cooking, putting a stove, whatever, the utensil, thank the Agni Dev. Before drinking water, first thing, thank the water. Hey Jal Devta, tera shukra. The moment you come out, thank the Vayu Dev. Touch the Mother Earth. Thank the roof, which is universal. That's it. Just 5 things. Every day. And it is written everywhere. Whether you read Gurbani, whether you read Vedas, anything you read, it's very clear. On a daily basis, you must thank them. You must We abuse everything. We abuse the Mother Earth. We abuse water. We abuse air. We abuse the fire. We do abuse the sky, whatever we do. But can we not give them and thank them every day? It just takes split seconds to thank them. Because if they were not there, we were not there. We have no existence. And end of the life, it's again them. The body is again back to them. And soul is his. So what do we do? कोई बोले राम राम राम, कोई बोले राम राम, कोई अल्लाह, कोई सेवे गुसैया, कोई अल्लाह अल्लाह। एक नाम जाप करके फिर चल करते। हाँ, ऐसे। श्री राम राम राम, साईं राम राम राम, 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 श्री राम राम राम, साईं राम, श्री राम राम राम, साईं राम राम 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 राम, राम रघुवर राम सीता, राम राम राम, लोका समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु, समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु, लोका समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु, समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु, लोका समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु, समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु। श्री सच्चिदानंद सद्गुरु साईनाथ महाराज। Putra, spend time with children, mera bacha, day to day. Teach them to thank all these 5 elements. Whenever you cook, drink, walk, thank these people, Putra. And spend your time on your thoughts.
Cheap.
Doesn't matter what happens, what comes, what goes will not make a difference. What will make a difference is what we think. ठीक है मेरा बच्चा, साईं 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 मेरा बच्चा, साईं।